The customer had previously been told that the EV charger would need to be mounted on the side of the property with the charger cable draped over the glass balustrade. They weren't happy with that, neither were we, so here's how we did it. Doing another EV install. I'm here with... Say hello.
How we doing?
I don't think he looks too happy to be on camera, but yeah, so we're going to install Hypervolt on this wall. We're going to put an external board in over there. I'm going to show you something with board as well. It's got like a nice little engraving what I haven't seen before, so have a look for that later on in video. While I've been and got some bits, Andy's took some slabs up. We're going to run his cable in here. We're using EV Ultra. We're just going to put some extra protection on cable over it, put some yellow tape on it. We've already got some nice Emily blocks in place, what they've put in for when they've had solar. So we're going to take our cables through there, and there's a void, and then we'll put a board on this wall on here. We'll run cables through there. For some reason as well, there's main earth, if you can see, terminals in there. Have to get in there and sort that as well. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Yeah, I think if we cut that straight and you push it, and I'll literally keep it straight like that, you push it, it'll go through.
Yeah.
Go and get grinder. That's what you want. Little cough tool. Use one, they're really good.
Oh, you're one of the Milwaukee boys, aren't you?
No, I'm not. I'm a Kia. It's alright, isn't it, actually?
Ooh, now then.
Is that, how much?
Oh.
It fits like a glove.
Perfect.
Thank God I got it, wholesalers.
Perfect. She's through.
You what, pal?
She's through.
Is it gone through that easy?
Yeah.
So looking at it, you didn't think it was going to go through, did you?
Poke it through the wall first then.
Yeah, that's sound. We didn't think it was going to go through, did we?
No.
I did try some other cabling in my garage,
Sound. Huh?
and it were a lot tighter.
Look at that. Beautiful. That's gone just through under that brick as well.
Has it? Always just put a bit of this on. How much it cost? Just put a couple of tie wraps around it as well. What's sound that? I'm backfill this now, can't we? How would you have done it any different? Back up. I've got rubber mallet in, man. That block paver's going for me as well next. Right, Andy's on putting the rest of the slabs down. They're nearly back down, so we do awkward installs as well. So I'm going to cut cable, get drummer cable back in van. Coiled up back in van. We've got a few next week to do as well. Elucian outdoor consumer unit. As most of them are at market, they're all IP65. It comes standard with 40 amp RCBO bi-directional. SPD all built in, but look at this. This is a nice little touch. How cool is that then? Yeah. Right, we're gonna mount. Really nice. We're gonna mount this. What a fool. $25 mil bit going through. Come on, Meg. Oh, so I was going to connect this up. Andy's doing board end. think that's off Amazon. I think it's only 20 quid. It's Amazon. Alright, Dave. Very tricky around this install, but we managed to sort it. We'll show you full install when we're finished. You just can't think we've got them now. This is ready to go on. We just need to test it. My tester's in for calibration, my new tester, so I have to do my old tester and come back next week and just make sure obviously everything's fine. I also don't want to be seeing anyone using an impact gun. Tighten these up. I've seen it before. Have a blowout. Q current for the win. Yeah, so do I. If you want an EV charger in Sheffield done properly, we'll pull slabs up, we'll relay it, we'll do it properly. Not like other people, but yeah, drop us a message. Leave cover off, pal, so I test ZE and PFC there. There we go. Got it.
Keep going.
Right, I had to call it a day yesterday and get done what we got done because we didn't have, for some reason or not, we didn't have CT clamp and Hypervolt box. So CF are sorting it out for us and they're going to swap a box and get one sent. But I've got to go down to CF now to get it so I can go back and fit it. And I've also then got to go back next week because I'm still waiting for my tester to be repaired so I can test. Just do it, obviously, some bit of testing for his test sheets. So yeah, I'm just going to go to CF, let's go. Right, got my clamp. It's annoying, isn't it, when they don't come in box. Anyway, I've got another EV next week, so I've swapped it. But yeah, it's going to fit this. And also, they've got in wholesalers. Little click teddy bear. Little click Scolmore football, small one. Also got a big one. So yeah, ask your wholesalers, they'll give you one. If they like you. Or if you spend enough money. There's a whisker box in and whatnot, so always double these over. Beautiful. Yeah, all good. Started raining again. We need to quickly print out what we've done. You can literally go on print logs. We already know we printed one on 1st of June. Amend that for 4th of June. It's really good. As you can see, this is our EV board. We've got an RCBO and got Surge. Put stickers on. I'm not sure how long they'll last week being outside, but we have still done it. I'm hoping that they will last. But yeah, this is by Scolmore Elucian. If you look at this, being engraved on, it's really good. Let's lock that. I'm just going to show you how this we installed this EV charger at this property. We did take up block paving. I'm going to show you, look. So as you can see, that's his EV board. We've come through there to get into the meter, which is the other side, just around there. We've run EV Ultra underneath, and then we've put, as you can see, just here, we've installed metal conduit underneath here. So we took these slabs up, run it along, so we drill through at an angle. You're about to see it better here. Took these up, relayed these, took it through to his EV board. Obviously we installed Hypervolt Home 3 Pro. Yeah, all done. Another job completed. See you on the next one, yeah?